Alright everyone, welcome back. Now there's been a lot of talk comparing Google to that of Microsoft in terms of this AI race that they're battling against. We've seen Microsoft with their partnership of OpenAI that has been used in a range of companies. And then we had the announcement of Google with their Bard system, which performed very poorly. The demo didn't actually work, and so it was a very rushed approach from Google. But let's just take a step back. It's clear at the moment that Microsoft is really benefiting with their integration with their Bing product and with their Microsoft Edge with their version of ChatGPT. But if we look at the current trend, for instance, any developers out there, you'll be aware of GitHub Copilot. This actually runs using a version of GPT-3, and this is how the recommendations, when you put in a quote, you get some type of sensible function with sensible variable names. There are a range of products out there that are using GPT-3 to further enhance a specific product. And so this ranges to different products out there such as Descript, which is a way to edit videos. It's actually a software that I've been using for my videos recently. Highly recommend. And so there's a range of products out there that's using GPT-3 and more specifically OpenAI's products to power new products and services. And so one argument out there is that although Microsoft has a very strong partnership, OpenAI is a separate entity. You can see their pricing structure on the screen here. They make money whenever a user is interfacing or integrating with a unique product or service out there. Of course, with Microsoft's investment, they waive a lot of these fees, and using Google's cloud infrastructure to host GPT to function efficiently. Let's just imagine the partnership with Microsoft and OpenAI doesn't end out too well. Microsoft is then forced to use OpenAI's service just like any other company out there. As I mentioned in a previous video, this is looking less likely, and I would argue that an acquisition is more likely to take place given the close connection with the two companies. But if we look at the likes of Google, although they've performed very poorly with Bard, they still have the DeepMind division, which is fully owned by Google. And if we take a look at some of the recent articles from DeepMind, we can see with their alpha code, they're already setting new standards in the coding space, which is able to program competitively. And if we look at the current trend where different systems are all leveraging OpenAI's technology, Google could release some of these systems. If we look at the track record of Google, taking a look at AlphaFold, for instance, this is technology that has been released to the public, and we could see a similar approach with other projects that DeepMind is working on. And so in the short term, we can see that there are problems with Google search, given the likes of rival company Microsoft is integrating very well with GPT-3 technology. But let's just imagine that Google releases a GPT-3 equivalent and open sources the content. Then we're going to see products flooding towards Google and using their service, and that could lead to Microsoft being in a difficult position. And so none of these are based on any evidence, but if we look at past actions from the likes of DeepMind, which is where all the key improvements in AI technology are happening, then I definitely wouldn't write off Google anytime soon. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this Microsoft versus Google AI race. New videos are posted each week. Thanks to everyone who supports this channel. Hit that subscribe button if you are new around here. New videos are posted each week. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.